How to fix Google Play Store 506 or any other error on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can actually fix the Google Play Store error on your Android smartphone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, let's say that sometimes you open up Google Play Store, you try to download an app, or whenever you open it, it gives you some kind of error. There are a couple of ways on how you can fix that. The very first thing we will do is we will simply go ahead and then launch the settings app on our Android. Once you launch the settings app, over here you want to go ahead and then look for the option called apps in this case. Once you find apps, simply tap on it, and right over here we'll first of all look for Google Play Store. So as you can see over here, it says Google Play Store. Select it, and what you might want to do is you want to go to storage and then select clear data and clear cache as well. So once you clear data and clear cache, if that doesn't fix the issue, on the top right you have the three dots. Tap on it and then simply select the option called Uninstall Updates, and it will restore your Google Play Store and services to the factory default version. After that, you could come back and you could select Google Play Services, select Google Play Services and go to storage. Repeat a similar process such as clearing the cache files and also clearing the data by going to manage storage and clear all data button. Keep in mind that you might want to re-log into your account again. After that, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then select Uninstall Updates, and hopefully that would most likely fix the issue. If it doesn't, the other thing I would also recommend you do is just simply check for software updates on your phone. So scroll down, go ahead and select the button which says software update, and if there are any type of updates available for your Android smartphone available, you're going to simply update it to the latest version, and hopefully one of these would have helped solve the issue. If it did help solve the issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.